Curious about what's new in Power BI? The August 2026 update brings new capabilities across reporting, semantic model management, data connectivity, mobile, and embedded analytics. Here's what you need to know. Reporting: more flexible themes and visual defaults. Power BI now makes it easier to create consistent, polished reports with modern visual defaults and improved theme customization. The updated theme pane gives you more control over colors, fonts, visual properties, page settings, and filter pane styling across your entire report. Modeling: more control over semantic model refresh. Refreshing semantic models in Power BI service is now more flexible, with separate options for refreshing schema, data, or both. You can also refresh individual tables, giving you greater control while reducing unnecessary processing and model changes. Data connectivity, better accessibility, and dark mode. The Power Query experience gets usability and accessibility improvements, including better color contrast across light and dark themes. Connector icons also receive improved visibility in dark mode, making data sources easier to identify. Mobile: rotate reports for a wider view. Power BI Mobile is introducing a new Rotate View option that lets users switch between portrait and landscape with one tap. This makes reports easier to view on smaller screens, especially when a mobile-optimized layout isn't available. Embedded analytics: easier Power BI embedding in SharePoint. Embedding Power BI content in SharePoint Online is becoming simpler with a new workspace and report selection experience. You can also embed individual visuals, giving you more flexibility in how Power BI insights are shared across your organization. Power BI continues to evolve, making it easier to build, manage, and share data-driven insights. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.